Which is better, a new territory or an existing outlet? For different people, it will be a different answer. For some first-time business owners, an existing territory gives you some comfort. You have to pay more for that because there's a goodwill component. It might be quite small, but it'll be there. That'll be paid to the outgoing franchisee. But if you've done your due diligence and you've bought the thing correctly and you know what you're buying, you should be able to entitled to rely upon some ongoing turnover based upon the previous 36 months worth of trading. If that outlet doesn't have 36 months worth of trading, then you should discount or reduce any goodwill figure that's being paid, because you're not able to rely upon a course of conduct of the business and a course of turnover. But for some people who maybe don't have quite the capital to buy an existing franchise with the goodwill component that entails, a new territory can be quite attractive. There's a risk, of course, that the territory might not work, or if it's a new franchise group that doesn't have a lot of runs on the board, that the product might not work. You need to assess those risks and look at whether or not you can confidently cover them. There are significant numbers of people who've arrived in the right place at the right time, taken on a new territory with a relatively new product and done incredibly well. Lots of them in the mobile telephone industry, particularly over the last 10 years. But there's a risk, of course, in starting from scratch. It's easy to get in, but it can also be quite risky. So that decision really depends upon your goals, your capital, what you're planning to do with this thing, whether it's a 2 or 3 year pick and flick, make money out of it and move on, or whether it's a long-term thing that's going to support and underpin your lifestyle and your family for the long term.